Guys, we made it. We came up and we saw that it was platform 2 and we ran. That was crazy, not you, mommy? I know the train is still here.
12,000 something steps.
Oh god, with 12,000 steps. Wow.
Really? I don't feel my feet anymore. We had to run and then the train was delayed. And then I had to use the bathroom quick. Then we saw the train, then we had to run like, because we had 1 minute left. And so now we will run out.
I think I'm an hour.
Dann fahren wir nur noch Taxi.
So guys, we made it to Naples. Look at it. This is the view coming outside of the train station. First thing you can see is some colors back there. Mommy's trying to get us to the coast.
I'm trying, yeah.
We have 1 hour.
Napoli, guys. Bella Napoli.
We have 1 hour until sunset. And the plan was to have 2 hours until sunset. But then the train was 20 minutes late, so that was not a part of the plan.
Maybe we are on the right way home, maybe.
And I'm so thirsty.
That's our third city today. Milan, Roma,
Yeah.
Napoli.
Napoli. Where are we going now? One's from Napoli. Nice shoes. Mommy, for the price, €12 for one heel. Not bad. €20 jackets. Wow. Not bad. €15 jacket. Mommy! Guys, what's better? Christmas or New Year's? Christmas or New Year's, mommy? I love it. New Year's? Christmas would be more red. Looks so nice. Food, mommy, food. It's später, don't worry. I don't care if we have to try again tonight. This time we're gonna be smarter though. As I'm so thirsty. Mommy? I like these. My style. Watch Tifu. Garbage here, no?
Yeah, more.
More garbage than in
Maybe them have garbage collection soon, who knows?
But it's still so charming.
It's more gritty like, it's more like real.
And you have more of a Jamaica vibes with all the stars. And then I press up here.
Guys, see not there background. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. And I've got the volcano. Oh my god. Trees. Which never bears banana, never mind, but the flowers are good. The old palm trees. Soon we're gonna see the ocean.
Thank you.
One moment.
How much?
It's a mangiare, madam.
Manjari?
Mangiare?
What is that?
Essen.
Essen.
Mangiare
Okay.
is Essen. I know that much Italian.
Eat. English, eat. How much?
One moment.
Okay.
One moment.
Okay.
Okay.
I call a 5-star place in Germaican. Jesus.
Hey.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. How much is it?
Madam, 15.
50.
15.
15. Okay.
15.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So guys, guess what just happened? If the battery is dying. So somehow we were walking towards the coast. We thought, you know, there would be restaurants and all these things.
Yeah, it's cool. It's just they have the cushion harbor, like, you know.
And then it was military based as well.
Yeah.
And there was no restaurants.
touristy, nothing like.
So that was a
And I
fail.
was so tired and our feet are killing us, and so there was this taxi guy who doesn't speak any English.
So we hopped into this car, this taxi, and we were hoping
I
like,
told him we want to go to the seaside restaurant. Do you know a restaurant? And so
Yes.
So he understood as much as restaurant.
and he's like, sure, he'll carry us.
So he brought us to this fancy place which I showed you before.
But I guess that's the name of the restaurant, Manjari. And Mommy said, Manjari means to eat. So we thought he was taking us to a restaurant to eat, but that's like literally the name of the restaurant. So I guess
But
he
the
did not
prices are
even-
70 euro for one meal, like, so that would be like less yesterday, huh?
Yeah.
But the good news is we are not too far away from our hotel.
Yes.
Oh, by accident.
Yes, thank God. So we're gonna walk direction to the hotel and hope we can find some good cheap food. Because you know, so far the city seems to be cheap. Like all the shopping stores and so we see good prices.
A lot of stalls on the roadside, and so it's really nice. I like it.
Yeah, so the prices I've seen like
Totally
affordable.
different from definitely Milan and
Yeah,
much more
affordable
lively,
prices.
you know?
Yeah.
Not so much tourists.
I was just saying like the prices look affordable here to shop.
Yeah,
So
except
we
for
can,
that place behind
except
us.
for this place. Yes, so we have to try and find again. And our hopes to eat something on the waterfront with nice water view. Crush for tonight, but it's okay. So mommy, where are we going? Lead us. Lead us, mommy, lead. So guys, there's a gas station for all the scooters. It's so cute. Check it out. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. So, nice. The only good thing is that we're not so far from the hotel right now. Ooh, this looks good. Really nice bakery. Wow, looks so good. Looks really good. So guys, look, they put bread out here. We just came to this little corner shop and we got some little snacks for the hotel room. Have bread. We have something to drink, water, something sweet. We'll show you later. Mommy's drinking her Pepsi.
I'm dying.
Me too. I even got Fanta. I usually don't even drink Fanta, but I just wanted something sweet as well.
Just anything. So guys, here you can even get 6 price on the automat. It's crazy. Look at that.
Fancy.
Leute, das ist doch mal ein geiler Fahrstuhl.
Guys,
Wo wollen wir überhaupt
the
hin?
floor is shaking. Third floor, Mommy.
Ja, dann drück doch mal irgendwo. Du musst die Tür zumachen, sonst geht der nicht. Und wie kommen wir in den dritten Flur?
We look like we have a PM.
Echt?
Ah, here. Third. So back then you had to pay. Now you don't have to pay. Guys, guys, they have no sign saying their hotel.
Man, how many signs out there, but no sign from our hotel?
That's crazy. Or are they apartments?
If you have a business,
Yeah, makes no sense.
so die Tür wieder nach innen.
Check out our room. Rainbow. Napoli. I didn't know we were gonna get extra beds, but okay, we can. And they even have a fridge under there, mommy. We can put Ushink in there.
Yeah, when you can't open the door.
Oh, have a little balcony. We can see what everyone is doing. Those people they are fighting.
Oh.
There's Christmas tree.
Who's fighting?
Yeah, call the house straight ahead. Then here we can see people downstairs. This is a bit crazy. And this we did see in Corona time, huh? When people did a sing on the balcony like this.
Yeah.
You remember? And clothes hanging there. Nice, we're really close to the train station. That's the good thing. The train station is right there.
Yeah, that's perfecto.
For 5 o'clock in the morning
And
tomorrow.
the guy finally came. Wow. I thought we were really stranded.
Tell him the story. Tell him the story.
I
Go
don't
back
know.
in the lights.
I don't even know where to start. Number one, I don't have any more legs. Oh, what kind of story?
Ja, lass uns ansitzen. Von mir oder so.
Yeah.
Guys, check-in was interesting. I've never seen that before. So first off, the door was closed. We couldn't get in. Well,
Yeah, first we had to find it.
yeah, they didn't have a proper signing of the hotel. Somehow they were like,
just said, oh, that's Napoli.
yeah, like they didn't have a good, like there were like probably 6 different hotels in this building, and we didn't see their sign, so we asked another hotel, and then they said, oh, 3rd floor. We went up to the 3rd floor, all closed.
Yeah, there's a code outside. Perfecto.
And then we called the number. First time it didn't go through. Second time
came in, he had us calling, and
he left like a voice note because they also didn't answer. Then I called the 3rd time, he answered. He said he's coming in 2 minutes. And yeah, then he came. He gave us the code to come in, but there was nothing to sit. Such a crazy check-in, but we're here. And we didn't eat yet, so hopefully we have the strength to go out and eat. What do you think? I don't know. I hope.
so 6.
It's just 6 and we feel like it's like 12.
Because I don't have no more feed. Everywhere just hurt me. How much steps today so far?
20,000.
20,000.
Crazy. That's crazy. Guys, I think I broke her. What you say? I'll put your foot on this.
On the phone, yeah? On the phone.
So guys, the whole reason why I took out back the camera is because I wanted to show you the bathroom. Because we so tired we forgot to show you the bathroom. Very nice. And it looks really clean in here. You know? And soap and everything. I cannot complain. The place looks nice. As I just realized we didn't even show you all the hotel room yesterday. It wasn't as nice as this one. You know, because when we book in hotels, we book based on price and we booked based on the proximity to the train station, because you know we have to wake up early, leave early. So I'm going to try those chips now. So it looks a bit yellow. My towel up here. Okay. So now let's try the chips. Mommy's in the same position.
Was für die Chips? Ich bin nicht mehr da, ja?
Talk English, mommy. You're not here anymore.
I'm not here anymore.
Okay, I was saying let's try the chips.
I'm so dead. I'm getting there.
So here, mommy. So guys, we got Italian chips. This one is classic. I asked the guy in the store if they taste like Lay's. He said no. Here, mommy, try. And then I got these ones. They look like Jamaican cheese chips, cheese puffs. Yeah, and he said these were better than some other ones there, so can't wait to see. Let me try. Okay, they smell cheesy for sure. Just like Jamaican cheese chips, but they're not so well flavored. But probably better than German cheese chips. German cheese chips is a no-go.
Chips are very nice.
Alright,
I love the chips.
let me try mommy chips.
I'm already full.
Yeah, I think we prefer the chips than these.
Let me try that one. That one.
You're missing
Don't have more flavor.
Jamaican, man. Jamaican cheese chips. Can't find no cheese chips nowhere better than Jamaican cheese chips, guys. And they're so big. The pack is so big and they still are not here. Now we can get too comfortable as we're not leaving back.
I'm not getting again.
Oh, you want all the food?
Don't tempt me.
Can't order food, you know. Remember tomorrow we have a long day ahead too.
Du kannst, was ich hier alles machen wollte in Napoli.
How far we go out? Because there were some good cheap things.
Alright guys, it's us again, Chrissy and Gabi here.
Yes.
Today was a very busy day. We don't have any more feet, legs or whatever you want to call it. Also it's all hurting.
How many steps did we do?
Today we did do like 24,682 steps.
I think we beat London. In London I
Almost.
think we did 22.
Oh wait.
In
And look how much calories we lose now.
That's why we have to eat now.
Bombard.
So,
Oh, this calorie that 1,000. When I even eat so much, 1,275 calories. Not about time now.
and we just ate some good food. So anyways guys, if you would have seen the last video, you would have known that we were kind of robbed yesterday.
Yeah.
And we were traumatized and
Sorry.
we actually were looking for a nice restaurant to eat now, but we end up just getting a pizza close by and we're gonna eat it now.
But you have to remember also we did walk like an hour and
Yeah.
really did look for a place. So it's
We
not
did
like we
look.
didn't try, and we found some interesting shops and we looked for some perfume and other little stuff like also, and we saw some aperitivo place, but we thought we want some real food, not just some snacks like, and
Yeah.
we kept on walking like, and where we went this morning, was it morning or more like afternoon, when we were looking for the sunset at the Hafen
That was
harbor
this evening.
something.
Yeah, when we just came, we were looking for like a nice, like
Yeah.
beachy restaurant with sunset. I guess we had the wrong.
Yeah, and we somehow end up there where the cruise ships land park,
like the wharf.
dock like, and
Like a
there was
wharf.
also a soldier place like, so we were so wrong.
And
So-
then guys, I think we already showed that. We
Yeah,
took
we
a
showed.
taxi and then we ended up somewhere
So
and
that we couldn't walk anymore. And it's not just me alone. I was so dead. I was ready to just sit down on the ground, and I didn't care anymore if a truck run me over or whatever.
then the guy took us to the most expensive restaurant. We just okay, cool. We went supermarket. Then we
They
came
look nice too.
to the hotel back. Then we said we're gonna go eat after that. Then we came back home with pizza. So guys, let's do a little
And the taxi
mukbang.
driver was very nice. And he
Yeah.
only charged like 15 or how much euro? So taxis are cheap
So
in
guys,
Milan.
check out my pizza. It's called Pizza Diablo.
And my one is
Diablo.
called fried pizza margarita. Never had a fried pizza in my life, but it's a specialty here.
So let's try and see.
I
Guys,
don't
we
have
saw
a clue how
some.
you eat this, but oh my god.
Just biting it, no?
Rosa. This is too big to just bite in it. Yeah? Boy, my bed. Hello.
I'm gonna get the bed messy.
Whew.
Where's the serviette?
Luxus.
Which one is your bed? Oh, up
But it
there.
does taste nice.
Mine too. When I was
Never tried fried pizza. I'll try. But you look nice though.
oh, your one's still hot. I want no hot anymore.
Okay. Remind me of something. tastes totally different.
Yeah. You know what
I mean, like how the crust is so thin, like. Because I always like thin crust on pizza. I don't really like a big fat one. And it has a lot of flavor, you want.
I take this and you take that, eh? And it's too big anyways. So, mommy, where is the pizza originated here in Napoli, no? That's why we chose
so
to eat pizza
Google it,
today.
that's what you will get as an answer, yeah. And the pizza margarita story, I don't know, some queen or somebody famous, but it was something like a queen. Most likely we'll put a link or we write some explanation to that later in the video. But she came for a visit and a special shop invented something extra for her in the colors from Italy, which is, come again, green, red and white. Red. Which is then mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce or tomato. In green you get some sort of leaf, I forgot what kind of leaf of greens that. And it's pizza margarita, so you know. Yeah, and that's how it was invented.
Mommy,
That's what I read. But we passed through some really nice places today when we were looking for the Hafen harbor. Some tiny little roads and thing, and I was so looking forward to Napoli.
we just don't have enough time, but still glad we got to experience it a little.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you have to imagine we come from Milan, went to Rome, came to Napoli,
A lot in one day.
and tomorrow we are going very early. We have to leave here very early, like 5 o'clock or train leave, something like that. Then we go to Firenze, Florence, and yeah, in Italian.
Then Venice.
Yeah, and after that, Venice. And after Venice, we go to Bologna.
Huh?
And also in Bergamo. Let me get Bologna first. Yeah. Bergamo, and that's where the airport is. So we have to sleep there one night because it didn't work out any other way.
We wanted to sleep in Venice, but that didn't work.
Yeah, Venice.
Because of the train connection also.
I've been to Venice one time when I was little. I mean, not that little also, but maybe like 10, 12, 13, 14, I don't know. I just want to go back. I just want to go back when carnival time is. But like this tour thing also, I don't think I want to be in Italy anywhere when tour season is. Rome today, and it was not a tourist time. It certainly wasn't.
It was so full. I wonder what
my
it looks like in
God.
summer. Probably police and stuff there.
Yeah, and tourist bus and tour guides and crowd of people. I mean, it was a beautiful day, yes, but look at the time, we have December.
It was full.
So imagine that thing now in June, July, August. Oh my goodness.
Or maybe because we got. So, anyways, guys.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Peace.